A good reader is a good speaker. Let's enhance reading skills in children through story reading. Thanks for your like. Subscribe to stay connected. One day, King Akbar asked a question in his court. That left everyone in the courtroom puzzled. As they all tried to figure out the answer, Birbal walked in and asked, what the matter was. They repeated the question to him. The question was, how many crows are there in the city? Birbal immediately smiled. And went up to Akbar. He announced the answer. He said there were 21,000. 523 crows. In the city. When asked how he knew the answer, Birbal replied, ask your men to count the number of crows. If there are more, then the relatives of the crows must be visiting them from nearby cities. If there are fewer, then the crows from our city must be visiting their relatives who live outside the city. Pleased with the answer, Akbar presented Birbal with a ruby and pearl chain. Moral: having an explanation for your answer is just as important as having an answer.